Hello student, today we are going to learn EVS part 2. So children, you can see a planet on the screen. Tell me, which planet is this? Correct. We all live on this planet. This is our Earth. So children, there are many questions in our mind. We all are wonder about it. For example, the earth on which we live, how came to be? When did that happen? Was it always the way we see it today, or it has undergone change? If it has changed, what exactly are those changes? So children, there are many questions are in our mind. Let's find out some answers of this question. Children's, on the basis of scientific research, it is now believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, our Earth was formed. How it was happened, let's find out. So children, it is believed that an enormous cloud, means huge, big cloud of very hot gases and dust was formed in the space. It's called supernebula. After some time, it was collapsed and start spinning at great speed. It was constantly spinning at a rapidly. Its circular motions and great speed divide it into the several portion. So children, this all the divided portions of this cloud creating the sun and the planets which revolving around the sun. Thus from our solar system was formed. So children, you are understood how our solar system was formed. There are sun and the 8 planets and other physical body are part of our solar system. All these 8 planets revolving around the sun. These 8 planets are starting closer to the sun. First is Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So all these 8 planets include in our solar system. Among all these planets, the Earth is the only one planet where life is known to exist. Let's see how this beginning of life on the Earth. Student, after the formation of solar system, after the formation of the earth, it took about 80 crore years to cool down its surface and water body to be formed on it. So after the formation, the earth took 80 crore years to cool down its surface, and after the cooling surface, water body to be formed on it. So our science is believed that the first living thing was formed in the water. Various kinds of unicircular organism or a living thing first appear in the water. Unicircular means they have only one cells. Our human body is have many cells. Our small kinds of skin part, it also have many cells. Then imagine that unicircular organism, how small or tiny would be. These unicircular organisms are known as protozoa. These protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. We need a microscope to see them. These protozoa are so small, so tiny, we cannot see them. For that reason, we need a microscope to see them. A microscope, a device that used to see even the smallest thing very easily. So student, this unicircular organism gradually develop into the multicircular organism or a living thing. And these multicircular organism or living thing are developed into the different kinds of species of animals and plant. So children, this is how the life is beginning on the earth. This life or living world on the earth consists of plant and animal. Here we shall think about the animal world. Here are some main characteristics of animal. First, animals are breathe. This is our need. Without breathing, we cannot survive. For that reason, all animals are breathe. Animals move in order to get food or for the other purpose. Animals move here and there for their purpose, for the getting food or for the other reason. They moving everywhere where they want for their purpose. Third characteristics, animals of some species laying eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs, and some other species of animals give birth to their young ones. In these species of animals, grow the baby in the mother wombs for some time before the birth. So student, these are main characteristics of animals. Animals are breathe, animals move here and there for their purpose. Some species of animals laying eggs and some species of animals give birth to their young ones. So children, thus from this lesson we had to learn how our earth was formed, how was the life had a beginning on the earth, all these species of animals and plant, how it came to this earth. We had to learn all the basic information from this lesson. Thank you.